We have Dr. Hemant Thakkar joining us live from Mumbai. He continues to be with us to give us his expertise and his experience in this entire fight against COVID. Dr. Thakkar, we've been interacting in the course of the last 1 hour over the entire COVID fight that we've witnessed. So we've seen how India has taken solid steps to tackle the COVID fight, and now with the last phase of this fight, as we're calling it, like the Prime Minister and the Health Minister also said, this is probably the beginning of the end of coronavirus in India. So how do you see this journey in the last 1 hour? Do you think that India has grown leaps and bounds in terms of medical infrastructure in India as well?
You know, today's flagging off of the vaccine is like unfurling the flag at the top of Mount Everest. We have done the whole journey and we have reached the peak. But this journey of 1,000 miles has begun with today's first step towards conquering it and putting the pandemic behind us. I think the whole country needs to be applauded because this is a collective effort, not only of the scientists, the healthcare workers, the pharmaceutical companies, the frontline warriors, but also an effort put together by each and every Indian citizen who in some way or the other, whether he has worn his mask, whether he has cooperated with the Prime Minister's advice, whether he has seen to it that he stayed at home, whatever he has done, each one has put his small brick into the wall and has built this giant edifice where we have today taken the first step towards inoculation. I'm sure India is a rarity amongst the other inoculating nations because we are inoculating during the declining trend of the virus.
Yes.
The whole world in the West is fighting with the virus and vaccinating. The virus, as far as India is concerned, is on a downtrend, so our focus is on inoculation. So that makes India a victor with a difference, and I'm sure we'll take on with this in further progressive directions.
Yes, definitely. And we're hoping to win this battle against COVID-19, Dr. Thakkar. And we also have Dr. Vivek Nangia joining us for his final comments, for his closing comments on this broadcast. Mr. Nangia, like before we cut across to the Health Minister, you were telling us how as COVID warriors, it's a momentous occasion for all the frontline workers with this vaccine. You were elaborating that point. I would like you to conclude that.
Yeah, so basically this is something that we've all been looking forward to be able to combat this virus, which has been on the rampage for the last 1 year or so across the globe. You know, despite all measures, it wasn't possible to control it. It's only now with the invention of the vaccine, which has been done with the collaboration of the scientists, the industry, the government agencies, everybody has chipped in their best. And to be able to produce this vaccine in such a short time is also no less a feat than reaching the Mount Everest peak. Because most of the processes have been fast, cutting in corners. There's been no shoddy work. There's a robust scientific data supporting the use of these vaccines. So I think we have a very optimistic attitude towards this, and we're really looking forward to completely eradicating this disease, at least from our country, in the near future.
Yes. Dr. Vivek Nangia and Dr. Hemant Thakkar, thank you very much for joining us on this live broadcast as we cover the big news of the inoculation process that has been flagged off this morning.